to America's first and only daily talk show for and about the Filipinos, kung saan paminsan-minsan po ay nakakapaglakwatsa at nakakapaglamyerda din tayo. When I was in the Philippines, one of my first few shows was a horse racing show in the Philippines. My dad also used to breed race horses in the Philippines, and I've also tried horseback riding, pero sa Jeju Island lang po sa South Korea, nasubukan kong kumain ng balat at mga laman ng isang kabayo. Panoorin po natin ito. So we've actually tried the black pig, which is not very foreign to us Filipinos since we do eat pork. But our second dinner in Jeju was actually more intense. You see, it's not included in the three abundant things Jeju has: women, wind, and rocks. But the island is also known for horses. There are race horses, breeding farms, horseback riding, and get this, even restaurants that specialize in horse meat. So in a place like this is the first thing you get served. Something that looks like this. This is horse bone, and this is actually water that's from the broth. It's actually like a broth. You boil horse meat with some herbs, and this is what comes out of it. And so this is what you do. You pour this here, and you mix it. I wash my hands. And then and you drink this in one shot. Wait, don't make me laugh. Doesn't taste very good, but it's supposed to be healthy. Is it supposed to be healthy? So this is Fear Factor going on right on this table. Earlier we had horse bone with horse juice, and now we have all this that's raw. This is liver, and I was told that you eat this actually raw with no sauce. If only I can. Wait, hold on. It's chewy. It tastes better than the horse bone and the juice. This is also raw, but it comes with like, it looks like it's seasoned with like sesame seeds and oil. That tastes good, actually. It's a little sweet. And now for the real thing. This is raw horse meat. And get the small piece here, and then you either dip it in this sauce or this sauce. This is like salty with oil, and this is like, it's like soy sauce with ginger. Let me try this. Salty. It's not so bad at all. I like it. And finally, we're having something cooked. First of all, the raw meat earlier we're trying to cook now. And then now we have some cooked dishes here. This is actually horse steak. Let me try. This is actually good. It's very tender. And then this one, because we're in Korea, we gotta have bulgogi. But this time, this is actually horse meat bulgogi. And it's cooked. So no fear here. It's very good, very tasty. I'm only finding out now that nothing is really going to waste when you eat horse, because see, even the intestines they serve, and that's what I'm gonna try now. This is actually boiled horse intestine, and you dip it in sauce, so I guess it tastes better. It's okay. It's very chewy. Just a bitter aftertaste. It's just like any intestine. I think it's just like a little bit like pork intestine too. It's just a little bit bitter. And then here we have the horse soup. It's horse meat boiled in like water and veggies. And this is actually soup. It's horse meat boiled in like water and veggies. And this is actually horse ribs. Let me try the soup. Siguro po para kung sa atin man parang bulalo. The soup is a little sweet, and I'm guessing that the meat is also a little bit tender. Let's eat. And just like with beef, ribeye is the best part of the horse meat as well. And they say that horse meat has no bacteria at all, so you don't have to worry about cooking it rare. But I still like mine a little bit more cooked, and so I'm going to try it now. It's actually good, and I keep eating. I don't know if I like it or I'm just hungry. What do you think? Maybe you should come here and see for yourself. Come to Korea. It's chewy. It tastes. Let's explore more of Korea when we return on Kababayan LA. Don't go away.